So, hi guys. Mass and mole are probably the most used words by chemists and scientists alike. These words appear in almost every page of your chemistry textbook, and you will definitely run into it while studying. Well, these words are so prevalent because they are basic quantities that enable us to determine the amount of a particular substance. The mass of a substance is the weighted quantity of matter present in that substance, as determined using a triple beam balance or any other weighing scale. A mole, on the other hand, refers to the amount of a substance which contains as many particles as there are in 12 grams of carbon 12. To easily understand the difference between mass and mole, think of it this way. Here I have one apple. This represents 1 mole of an apple. Now, if I weigh this apple on a scale, it will probably weigh about 150 grams. So, 1 mole represents the number of apples I have, while 150 grams represents the mass of the apple. Now that we understand these quantities, another quantity that we can obtain is molar mass. The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance. This means that the molar mass of this apple is 150 grams per mole. We know this because the mass of 1 mole of the apple is 150 grams. The equation mole equals mass over molar mass relates all three quantities and is used to convert mass to moles and vice versa. Another key point to note about the mole is that 1 mole of every substance contains 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23 particles. This means that 1 mole of calcium contains 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23 atoms. In summary, the mass of a substance is the weighted quantity of matter present in that substance. A mole is the actual amount of a substance which contains as many particles as there are in 12 grams of carbon 12. Mass, mole, and molar mass are related by the equation mole equals mass over molar mass. Lastly, 1 mole of every substance contains 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23 particles. In subsequent lessons, we will use this newfound knowledge to solve interesting questions.